Hi everyone, I thought it was time to drop the little video that I promised about how to use the photo booth for nationals. This year we're going to have a green screen set up and a camera, and during the sign-in process when you're getting your quads checked, there'll be a step at the end there to go across to a couple of doors down and get your video taken. Dan added this feature earlier this year, probably around May, April, and it's amazing. It looks so good when you add it to your stream, even just photos, just looks much more professional, and for Nats we're just going that little bit of the extra mile just to try and do everyone in here. So when you get there, you're going to walk in and you'll see this sort of window. The video takes a square, and when we click a button, there's a 3-second countdown, and then 5 seconds to do your little thing. I recommend normally just taking a second to pause for a second, do your thing in about 3 seconds, and then pause again at the end, and it just helps with the framing and the playback and stuff like that. So that's my recommendation. I'll give you a quick example here. I'll get a video for Bear. So I'm going to click record clip now, and I'll show you what to do. Like for the most basic one, as far as gestures are concerned, the most basic one would be just to fold your arms, but obviously you can get a bit more animated. Just try to keep yourself within this frame. Here we go. Click. You can nod. Add some little effects at the end. Be creative. I reckon the variety is good. We've got some pretty creative ones there in the CMRC club that we use there. So if I want to use that and you're happy with that, we'll say we'll use it. And that's it. You're done. If you want to take it again, it's very easy. We'll just hit record clip again and do your take. So you get a few. We'll give you a few goes at it, all right? Just pause. Oh, this one's already recording. Botched it completely. See what I mean? Takes seconds. Record clip. We'll do one more. If you want, you can do like a little heart gesture. And that's it. All right, any questions, feel free to hit me up. But it should all be pretty straightforward, I feel. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you in Townsville on the Wednesday. It should be fun. It will be fun. Good night.